to set up TP-Link router with your mobile. So this is a very short video where I will try to explain everything if you're new to this, okay? First of all, you need to plug in your TP-Link router. So I'm using a default TP-Link router. It's a regular router, okay? It's a very cheap router, and this is the default router of TP-Link. And you can see I have already plugged in, okay? You can see the light is now orange. So first of all, I will now enter the Ethernet cable that I received, okay? So I am now using this router as a wireless router. I will use a dynamic IP, but I will explain everything. If you also use a static IP, you can do this too. So I am plugging in the cable. So you can see the cable is now plugged in. So you will see the light will change to green, okay? So let's wait. You can see the light is now green. So what I will do, let's keep this router here, and now go to my phone and then go to Wi-Fi and then select the Wi-Fi address. You can see the address is TP-Link D386, okay? So if you flip the router, you will see the information there, okay? If you flip the router, you will see all of the information in this area. Here is everything, power, default access, username, password, and Wi-Fi password. Everything you will find at the back panel, okay? So I am now connecting. Let's connect this. First of all, you need to select TP-Link, okay? So now the password. So you will find the password here, okay? So beneath the barcode, you will find the password here. So the password for now is 4527 4527 4527 5982. Okay, you can see it's obtaining IP address and it's now connected, okay? Now I will access the admin panel of this router, okay? So how to access the admin panel? There is an address there. You can see if you look at there, you will find an address. The address is, sometimes the address is in IP like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 or something like that. But for now, the address is http://tplinkwifi.net, okay? So go to your address bar, okay? Let's flip it. Okay, so now go to your browser, any browser. You can use Google Chrome or you can use the default browser of your mobile, and now go to tplinkwifi.net, okay? So you can see I am now using tplinkwifi.net address, and here, oh sorry, yeah, tplinkwifi.net. So now I will set up this router, okay? So select quick setup from your phone, and then select next, okay? So select wireless router from here, because I will use this router as a wireless router. Click next, and here's the main point. So if you are using your router to access the internet from your ISP, ask your ISP, internet service provider, to give you the type. Let's say if they give you dynamic IP, or if they give you static IP or PPOE or L2TP or PPTP, ask your provider to give you the information whether they are using static IP or PPOE or username or password, okay? So if they give you username or password, you can select PPOE, okay? PPOE. If they give you static IP, you can select static IP from here. But for now, I will not use any of them. I will use only dynamic IP, okay? Dynamic IP, because I am not using this router to access internet from ISP. I am using this router to access internet from my another router, okay? So it will automatically detect the dynamic IP from my router. But most important thing is, if your ISP, internet service provider, give you username and password, you need to select PPOE Russia PPPoE, okay? So select PPOE Russia, and then select next. So if you select next, you will find the area to enter your username and password, and you need to enter the password again to confirm password, and then click next, and it will automatically connect. This is the way. But for now, I will use dynamic IP because I am not using an username and password. Okay. And one more thing, if the ISP gives you static IP, you need to select static IP and then click next, and then you need to enter the information that your ISP provides you. Let's say IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, primary DNS, and secondary server, everything. But for now, I will use dynamic IP, okay? Because dynamic IP is, for now, I need dynamic IP. Select next, and there you go. Here is the MAC media access control, okay? I don't need to clone the MAC address. Click next, and here you need to enter your wireless network name. So let's say I will use Dream Web Tuts here. Dream Web Tuts, okay? And if you want to set the password, just select WPA2 PSK. It's recommended. So I will use the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 to 8, okay? And then select next, and there you go. You can see everything is done. Click save, and boom, it's okay. It is done. So all you need to do right now, you need to select your new SSID to access your internet from this router, okay? So my SSID was Dream Web Tuts, okay? So select Dream Web Tuts and enter the password, okay, 128, and you can see it's now connected, okay? So what you need to do, you just need to browse right now. If you browse, you can see your my YouTube is now loading, okay? If you go to YouTube, you can see my YouTube is now loading, and it's fine. So this is how you can set up your TP-Link router, even if you are a very beginner using your mobile phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Dream Web Tuts to get more tutorial like this, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment below if you still face any problem to connect the router. I will see you in another video. Have a great day. Bye.